Hey everyone, hope you are all doing well. And because of COVID-19, mostly we are all doing work from home, and I am no exception in that. And because of this COVID situation, I am not comfortable in going to public gyms, and our society gym is also closed. So nowadays I am doing zero exercise, and I think I have gained some weight. So after some research, I have come across the green coffee solution for weight loss, and I have started taking this green coffee from NutroVally, and here it is written green coffee pure healthy geo. So quite interesting tagline. Let's see what happens. So guys, if you want to see how I make my green coffee, then do watch the entire video.